Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is an exceptionally clean, one owner, inside stored Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. 315 has been a very popular boat for Boston Whaler and us as MarineMax. What we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat and I'll show you some of the options. The nicest option on this one, this is equipped with joystick piloting, and this one has the big 300s on the back. So you can work those motors with or against each other, so docking is very easy. You can walk it sideways. This one also has your aft sunshade right here. We have about 220 hours on the motors. Huge cockpit all the way around. Very nice aft bench seat that comes out. This one also has your full enclosure right here, as well as cockpit air. And here's our sim rads right here, two 12-inch screens. This is going to be our joystick right here, digital throttle and shift, VHF radio, smart craft gauges. Also has the autopilot with sky hook. Very comfortable right here, very low maintenance with the full windshield. Down on the cabin, we've got the upgraded wood floors right here. Sleeps two comfortably inside here. Nice galley, refrigerator, stove, microwave, TV right here. Lots and lots of storage, or a really nice berth in the back. Fully enclosed head with shower, hot water heater as well. You've got dockside discharge as well as overboard discharge. But as you can see, the boat's in excellent condition. Very clean. Boat's located at MarineMax in Venice. So if you'd like some additional information on this 315, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. I'm the listing broker. My number is 941-376-3345. Thank you for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.